Hello everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and today this is the second part on my western wear collections, and hope you are liking my collections and do share the screenshot. I want to say one more thing, that shipping is 100 per kg, so under 100 under per kg, sometimes it comes 2 dresses or 3 dresses as well. It depends on the weight. You can also hold the order if you want and add some items, and if you want that time you can ship, but you cannot don't hold the items for too long. From like 2 to 3 videos you can just hold and you can add, so that is not a problem. And the second thing I want to say, that once you book the item, so I will consider that as confirmed, and if suppose the payment is not done, then I am sorry, then going forward I won't be able to answer to your queries going forward, because that becomes later on if you don't like book the item. So in that case I am saying, so in that case I won't be able to accept any orders of yours going forward. So please make sure, if you actually want to book the item, then only you just drop me a message with the screenshot. That will be very grateful for me, also for other people who actually want the items as well. Okay, I hope you understand what I want to say. So this one is the plus size dress. It's a black with sequins. It's a black with sequins work. You can see the sequins. It's a very pretty one, and this will come comfortably for till 50 size. Okay, it will go till 54 as well. So till 50 size you have got this one. Okay, accordingly you can adjust, and till 50 size this is a lovely dress you can opt for. So this one is a lovely maxi dress, you can say. It will come till 36. Okay, it will come till 36, till 38 also it will come. That is not an issue. Here it's a little elastic you have got. Here it has got elastic, and I'll show you the print. The print is very pretty. I'll show you the print from here, and the color is so pastel color. It gives a very pretty and elegant look. Okay, this is the lovely one. It's a long maxi kind of a dress. It's a very pretty one with the frills in the front. So this one is a lovely dress. It is a slit dress, you can say. You have got a slit in the sideways. So this is in wine color. If you don't want the slit, you can just give it to the tailor and they will make a stitch, and that will be a complete dress. Okay, so it is like this, and it's a very comfortable dress in wine color. This size it is coming till, it is mentioned as large. It will come till XL also. Only this part has this tightness. I'll show you how lovely the plating is done. It is like this. Okay, and the back side you have got a zip. Back side you have got a zip. It's a long gown in wine color. It's a very pretty party wear. Just wear a bride necklace and you're good to go for the party. This is the large size, so you can go for medium, large, and XL can go for this dress. And this is adjustable, so you don't have to worry for the bust part. So this one is a lovely dress. It's a maxi dress. Okay, and the size of this one is perfectly fitting for me, which is like 36. So 32, 34, 36, and yeah, 36 is a good size. Okay, 32, 34, 36 can go for this dress. You have got this tying thing, which you can tie it back side if you want, or front side. I like the front side, so I have tied in the front side. You have got the slides. You have got a slit over here. Okay, you have got a slit over here, so it depends on how you want to carry it. It's a lovely, and the fabric is too soft in crepe, and I hope you like this different like print. Print is also very pretty with purple, orange, pink. Everything is there. It's a very bright piece. So this one is a lovely piece. It's a stretchable piece, very comfortable in cotton. Okay, and this is like very comfortable with pocket. You have got the pockets. I'll show you the back side. Back side is like this. It's a very smart one. It's just a single here, and the front is like this. So I'll show you the print from near, and you've got this golden little thread work all over the body, and it's like this long maxi dress and very smart piece. Size will go till 38 and 40 also will go. 40 also will go, as it is sleeveless, so you get that option, you get that space. Okay, so I hope you like this one. So this one is on a, you can say, animal print or snake print. Okay, it's a long dress. So this one is mentioned as double XL, so it will come till double XL. Okay, but it is not stretchable, so completely till double XL will go. And I have got one more size, one more piece in this, the same piece. This one I have got in small size. Okay, this one is in small and this one is in double XL. Okay, and so this one is one more piece. Okay, but this one is also in double XL. This is in cotton, this one is in double XL. Okay, so this one is also in double XL, this is also in double